friends, this is Lopamutra Mandal here and welcome to Lopa's World. So today is my first chat show and as I promised, it's going to be very interesting. Interesting because I have lovely, beautiful Anita Datta with me. So Anita, you are from a business family and you have businesses of petrol pumps, spa, salon, related to beauty. Tell me from where did you get the interest to get into beauty pageants?
See, I am there in the glamour industry for last 6 years. So আমার সবসময় ইচ্ছে ছিল to give something for my women friends. Being married woman, I have gone through lot of obstacles. I had lot of dreams which I had to sacrifice. So আমি যেগুলো পাইনি আমি চাইছি I want the tag that a woman behind the successful woman.
Oh wow, that's super. A woman behind a successful woman, that's super. I think not many people must have thought like you, so that is amazing. So Anita, just tell me something. You yourself is so pretty, so beautiful. You never thought of participating in any beauty pageant?
See, everybody has different passion. I guess I'm always good behind the camera.
Okay.
So I always from my childhood days I used to follow Kia Shet. তো Kia Shet যখন জাজিং করতো ফ্যাশন শোজ করাতো আমার খুব ইচ্ছে হতো যে আমিও ওই জাজেস সিটে বসে আমি একটা ফ্যাশন শো অর্গানাইজ করি তো এই ছোটোবেলা থেকে ইচ্ছেটা আমার ছিল
Oh, that's super. Anita Datta is one person who got most of the international national beauty pageant in Kolkata, Mrs. India Universe, Mrs. India IAB, where I fortunately could go because of Anita. She pushed me, pulled me, and I got the crown because of her. So thank you, Anita, for that. Thank you. And now she's introducing Mrs. Glamorous 2019, and she is in charge of Mrs. Glamorous 2019 Kolkata audition. Anita, talk something about Mrs. Glamorous and Mrs. Glamorous Kolkata audition to our viewers.
Mrs. Glamorous India, again it's a national level beauty pageant যেখানে it's for married women again. তো আরেকটি প্ল্যাটফর্ম যেখানে they say like age is no bar. The day you think you want to do something in life, the moment starts from there.
So I think Mrs. Glamorous criteria is you have to be between 18 to 45 years of old. That's
21 to
21, I'm sorry, 21 to 45 years old, that's the eligibility criteria, and you just have to be married. You can be one time married, separated, divorced, or a widow. So all the married ladies and all the one time married ladies who are maybe now unfortunately separated or divorced or maybe widow, you also have a golden opportunity to participate in a pageant and win a crown for yourself. Life has not stopped for you. This is just the beginning, right?
Correct.
Right. And for Mrs. Glamorous, I think you have to be glamorous, you have to be beautiful, but you have to be intelligent as well.
Correct.
If I'm not wrong.
It's like we are looking for an accomplished lady.
Right. So we are basically looking for a package.
Correct.
Right. So all the viewers, all the married ladies there who are between 21 to 45 years, you are one time married, separated, divorced, widow, whatever. If you are confident, if you are glamorous, you cannot miss Kolkata audition. And I think Kolkata audition there is no registration fee.
Correct. There's no registration.
Yeah, so I think it's a golden opportunity for ladies who probably don't have support from their family or husband, and they don't know, even if it's a small registration amount, from where to give, how to ask my in-laws or my husband or my family. This is a golden opportunity for you because there is no registration fee, so you do not have to worry about your payment, at least for the Kolkata audition. Rest will follow, of course, it has its own course, but for Kolkata audition there is no fees. So I think if you have still not registered, you should call me or Anita for registration. Anita, can you just tell your digits for the viewers so that they can call you?
98312-80072 or 98312-98072.
And my digits are 98315780009. We are looking for a package, and we also hope that the Mrs. Glamorous 2019 will be from our city of joy, Kolkata. What do you think?
Correct. And we have another opportunity for the ladies.
Okay.
That's a Bollywood producer is coming who is looking for a fresh face for
Wow,
his
that's
web
super.
series in Netflix.
Okay, so whosoever is winning, she also gets an opportunity to get featured in one of the Bollywood, reputed Bollywood producers' upcoming movie in Netflix. I think that's the biggest advantage of the pageant. So ladies who are sitting back at home and thinking, ki korbo, jabo na, I think you should not waste your time anymore and just register for Mrs. Glamorous 2019. In case you have any queries, any doubt, you need to know something, please do not hesitate to get in touch with Anita or me. Our social media handles are very much there on Facebook and Instagram. What is your Facebook ID and Instagram ID?
It's Anita Datta, Facebook, and Instagram is datta.738.
And my Facebook page is Lopamutra Mandal and Instagram is Lopamutra Mandal Lopes. And Mrs. Glamorous also do have a page in Facebook and Instagram, so you can go to Mrs. Glamorous page as well on their social media handle. Anita, just tell me something. So for Mrs. Glamorous 2019 Kolkata audition, we have already fixed a venue for the audition.
We have fixed up a venue, but I might have to change that because we are getting too many registrations. So this placement is.
Oh my God! So we have already got many
23,
registrations.
yeah,
Oh my God! 23 registration already. I think it's just a week that we have started on
Yes.
this. Superb, Javanita. Kudos. So venue we will decide soon, and we will inform you soon in all our pages and all our social media handles.
I have one thing, like for pre-grooming we are introducing two new things here. It's pranic killing. They will be getting a workshop on pranic killing, and one is aromatherapy from
Wow.
Ain Magical. So they will teach them how to get rejuvenated after work, just taking a deep breath of a of an oil, essential oil. So
Wow.
that's an amazing opportunity which pranic killing and the Ain Magical did.
I am sure. So ladies, there is no registration fees and you are getting so many things. So even if you don't get to be selected, at least you will be in a learning process. You will make so many friends, you will meet so many people, you get so much of exposure and you get so many things complimentary. So at least for that you can register, because anyway there is no registration fees, right?
Correct.
Anita, anything else that you want to tell the viewers and aspiring contestant? Anything else you think, or you think we have
Just
covered
fill up the
everything?
form and WhatsApp us or mail us, whatever is convenient for you, and we are there to help you.
That's super. So viewers, Mrs. Glamorous 2019 Kolkata audition is 23rd of February. Time and venue we will announce very soon. Till then, stay tuned at Lopa's World. Bye-bye. Thank you, Anita.
Thank you.